take about the same, 10% of 1%, much less than 1%. When you take presidents, it's 5.8%, and about 8% are shot at. So nobody told me this was such a dangerous profession. If Marco would have told me, maybe I wouldn't have run. Maybe I would have said, I'll take a pass. No, it's a dangerous profession, but I don't view it that way. Look, I'm here to do a job.
Heard of the dispensation of the grace of God? Ephesians 3:2. New Testament. If ye have heard of the dispensation of the grace of God, which is given me to you, Ward. Why should I put it like that? Dispensation of God, which is given to me for you. Colossians 1:25, New Testament, whereof I am made a minister according to the dispensation of God, which is given to me for you to fulfill the word of God.
We're not the only country. You look at this great violence with all countries. I was talking to somebody from another country today, and the numerous assassinations of political leaders. Look at South Americans, some of the numbers are just horrific. It's dangerous. It's dangerous stuff, whether it's here or someplace else. No country is immune. No country. Good question.
Oh, do you guys want to see this NATO mission I was able to coordinate?
Let everybody rip us off and take advantage of it.
The Baltops.
Trade now, leading the world. It's the greatest military in the world. I rebuilt it at my first term, and now we use it because we have no choice. We can't let, as an example, Iran. Can't let them get a nuclear.
Look at this NATO mission I was able to.
Everything won't be peanuts compared to that.
Ain't that cool? That was all me as the boom operator. Man, today's flight in Eastern Europe. Man, I did that all on my own. Well, I had a whole team. No, I was just kidding. I had an entire team. But that is some epic coordination and combat camera on board too.
Maybe in 5 or 6 years, and we did it in 1 year.
Oh, look at that!
With everybody together.
That's cool.
Wasn't supposed to happen during the
Oh, compassion. This is who I'm supporting. Emil. You know, some people live off of $1.25 a day. An entire family.
The Iran nuclear agreement, which was a disaster, that was a road to nuclear weapons. They would have used it 100%. So, when you do things like that, you become a target. If I wasn't doing that, I guess I'd be a lot less of a target, but I'm honored to be. Okay, one more question.
Talk turkey to me.
Go ahead.
Oh, by a troll or by a
Go ahead.
Thank you, President Trump. Did you know how the gun was brought to the hotels? And also, how does this event impact you as the leader of our country? Do you think it will change?
I like not to think about it. We pretty normal life, but so it's a dangerous life.
Here you go, Donnie. That was a turkey. You send it, I send it. Yes, you send it. Those are called knowledge bombs. Description bomb. That was a turkey too, for good.
She recognizes it better than anybody. She's told me numerous times. We sat there tonight, we heard that noise. It was either a tray or a bullet.